another series. No. It's another video. Do you know what happens? Now the question here is, do you know what happened to the dishes when you close the lid? The dishwasher. Soap.
Oh my God, here we go. Help! Oh no. Don't close the door. Please stop. Turn on the light.
Yeah, I'll turn on the light. Get this.
Yes, let us out, please. Please open the door.
Do your plates get abused?
Oh shit! Somebody come on the light! Somebody turn on the light! Turn on the light! Oh my God, finally! That little bringer! We have to get out of here! No, come down! No, come down! Hey, Doctor! Your phone is ringing. Can't be my cell. My cell is all floating. No, not for you. Martha Stewart.
Hey, Mom. Hey, no. No, thank you. I'm taking a shower right now.
Come on, guys. I don't want to die in a dishwasher.
Maybe tomorrow. We'll be here a while longer. Because we're getting abused. Oh, they turned on the lights.
Listen, I'm getting the hell out of here.
Hello, Mom? Mom, are you there? Come on, let's get out of here.
We gotta get out of here. Somebody come on the light.
Oh,